evening, everybody. Respected guests, respected audience. Today's my topic is comparative study of Katibasti with Sacharathi and Manarayan in the management of Pradesi, with a special reference to CIT. Coming to the introduction, it is considered as a Shur Pradhan Vyadhi, which comes under the 80 types of Nanatmas Vyadhi, and we can be equated in the modern parallels with the sciatic or sciatic syndrome. The cardinal signs and symptoms of the Pradesi are Dukh, Sodh, Stamban, Bhuspandan in the Spikatu in the order. The aims and objectives of the study to assess the efficacy of Katibasti in the management of Pradesi, and also to compare the effect of Katibasti with Sacharathi and Manarayan in the management of Pradesi. Methods, the study design, type of study is prospective clinical trial. The methodology was open trial. Source of data is OPD and IPD of PG Department of Panchkarma, National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur. The duration is for 30 minutes, once a day for 14 days. The quantity of oil used for the present clinical trial is 150 to 100 ml. Material for Katibasti ring is used as black ground powder. Follow up every 15 days for the duration of 1 month. So, is on the methods. In group A, Katibasti with Sacharathi, number of registered patients is 52, who has completed 48, and for the clinical trial, we have selected 45 days for the duration of 14 days. Similarly, in the group B, Katibasti with Manarayan, total registered patient is 49, 46 has completed, and for the statistical data, we have taken 45 for the 14 days. In each group for the 14 days. Inclusion criteria is patient between 16 to 60 years who is willing to sign the consent form, patient having the clinical signs and symptoms of Pradesi, exclusion of any origin of CN spine and tuberculosis of spine, pregnancies, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. Assessment criteria for the magnitude of pain is Greenhoff and Fletcher scoring method. Sugar brachy and Brakoffsky clinical mobility scale for the functional ability, and also disability is assessment for the functional disability, while some of our cardinal signs as Ruk, Stamp, Tod, Moose, Bandhan, Greh, Aruchi, Tandra, Gaurav, Sastic, Shavani, Greh, tenderness, numbness, burning sensation and walking distance also included. Result, the Katibasti with Manarayan and Katibasti with Sacharathi showed almost the same percentage relief in all assessment parameters. Both groups showed highest percentage relief in functional ability with no relief in the Aruchi. Katibasti with Sacharathi is more effective to control cuff dominance symptoms like Stamp, Gaurav, Greh, Tandra also on the walking distance and magnitude of pain. While with Manarayan group is more effective to control the war dominant system symptoms like tooth numbness, burning sensation, moose, also on the functional ability, SLR and the functional disability. Overall effect of the therapy, marked improvement was observed none in the group. Moderate improvement was observed in 15.5% in the group A, and while in 17.7% in the group B. Mild improvement was observed in 71% in group A and 68% in the group B. No improvement was observed in 13.3% in both groups. Overall comparison showed the moderate improvement was more in group B, while mild improvement was more in group A. Comparison between the both groups showed almost equal results. So Katibasti with Sacharathi and Manarayan is almost equally effective in the management of Pradesi. While to the dosha, Manarayan is more effective to control on war dominance, and while on cough, Sacharathi is more control. Thank you, sir.
In one of your slides, you showed that number of patients completed were 48 and 46 in group A and group B, and you selected only 45 patients for analysis. On which basis you selected, or on which basis you deleted some patients from analysis?
For the equilibrium, for the study method.
How you deleted? Because you cannot delete patients like that. What is the guarantee that the patients you deleted were not having any relief? That's why you deleted them. How we should be assured?
Only 2 or 3 patients are there.
But that cannot be done statistically.
In inclusion criteria, you just mentioned patients having signs and symptoms of progressive, but there are so many of them. So inclusion criteria usually is very specific, that people having X, Y, Z or ABC. So what was your exact inclusion criteria?
Except is SLR test. The main and the main sign and symptoms which were on the symptomatism.
But that's something you haven't mentioned.
The previous presentation on Grigrassi excluded malignancy, for example, as one of its exclusion criteria. Why didn't you exclude malignancy?
I have excluded malignancy. I
I
exclude
didn't see it written.
CA and tuberculosis.
You did. Okay, I apologize.
And lastly, on your conclusion, you said, most of the results showed that the effect was comparable in Katigasti given with Sancharathi and Manan and Dena. But then in your final conclusion, you said that one is better than the other in
This is only-
each type of literacy. So how did you conclude that?
On the symptomatic basis, only 1 or 2% variable are there. So we cannot directly say that it is more effective or it is more effective. Only 1% variable in the statistics cannot say what is the better. That is why I use this term. Otherwise, it is almost equal.
You should have only one point in your conclusion, not the other two.